top AI news this week is here, bringing you the most exciting advancements in artificial intelligence. This week, we're diving into Meta AI's groundbreaking Llama 4, featuring natively multimodal AI for a new level of understanding. We'll also explore ChatGPT's significantly enhanced memory, now referencing all your past chats for truly personalized interactions. Get ready to witness impossible camera movements with Higgsfield Mix. Plus, we'll cover Google's updated Agentspace with enhanced search and no-code agent creation, the launch of the exclusive Krea AI Artist Program, Bolt's new no-code SaaS platform with seamless Stripe integration, and the revolutionary Firebase Studio for cloud-based AI app development.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into today's video.
News number 1: Google introducing Firebase Studio. Today we're diving into a brand new offering from Firebase Studio. What makes this announcement stand out is that Firebase Studio isn't just another development tool. It's described as a cloud-based, agentic development environment specifically designed for building AI applications. Think of it as an all-in-one command center where you can build, test, deploy, and run your AI-powered creations. What truly sets it apart is its deep integration of AI right into the development process. For instance, the app prototyping agent allows you to generate functional web app prototypes using natural language prompts, images, or even drawings, and it automatically sets up GenKit and provides a Gemini API key, so your AI features work immediately without any manual configuration. Furthermore, you can iterate on your app simply by chatting with Gemini within Firebase Studio, asking it to add features, modify the UI, or refine the AI flow, which it can do by understanding your codebase. This level of AI-powered assistance extends to coding as well, with a CodeOSS-based IDE supercharged with Gemini Code Assistance for tasks like code completion and debugging. Finally, Firebase Studio streamlines the entire workflow from prototype to launch with one-click deployment via Firebase app hosting and even facilitates real-time collaboration by allowing you to share your entire workspace with others via a URL. This unique fusion of agentic capabilities, deep AI integration, and a streamlined end-to-end workflow is what makes Firebase Studio a noteworthy development in the AI application landscape. News number 2: Bolt's no-code SaaS platform with native Stripe integration. We're looking at a unique update from Bolt New, the introduction of native Stripe integration. What makes this truly stand out is that Bolt is now enabling you to go from a simple idea to a fully functioning SaaS business entirely without writing a single line of code. This isn't just about adding a payment button. It's about building your entire business within Bolt, complete with the ability to sell products and offer subscriptions, and crucially, to get paid faster than ever before. This capability is powered by a direct partnership with Stripe, bringing their robust payment processing directly into the Bolt platform for all users starting today. To get started, users simply need to prompt Bolt with the phrase, "Add payments." This seamless integration, eliminating the need for any coding to implement crucial payment functionalities, is what makes this update particularly noteworthy in the landscape of no-code business solutions. News number 3: Google updates Agentspace with enhanced search, agent discovery, and no-code creation. We're diving into the latest from Google with an update to Google Agentspace. What makes this announcement particularly unique is the focus on democratizing access to AI agents within the enterprise. Google is expanding Agentspace to include a unified enterprise search directly within Chrome. This means employees can now find information across their organization with Google Quality Search, regardless of where it's stored, all from their familiar Chrome search bar. Furthermore, the introduction of the Agent Gallery provides a central hub for employees to easily discover and adopt various agents, including those built by Google, internal teams, and partners. But perhaps the most significant differentiator is the new no-code agent designer, which empowers even non-technical employees to create custom AI agents tailored to their specific workflows and needs. This, coupled with new Google-built expert agents like the Deep Research Agent for synthesizing complex information and the Idea Generation Agent for fostering innovation, signifies a major step towards making agentic capabilities more accessible and integrated into everyday work. Finally, Agentspace now supports the Open Agent to Agent (A2A) protocol, positioning Google as a leader in fostering communication between agents from different ecosystems. This unique combination of enhanced search accessibility, simplified agent adoption and creation, and support for multi-agent communication is what makes this Agentspace update truly noteworthy. News number 4, introducing Llama 4, a new era of natively multimodal AI. Meta AI has just announced their latest breakthrough, the Llama 4 family of models. And what makes this release truly unique is the arrival of natively multimodal AI. Unlike previous models that often combine separate vision and language components, Llama 4 Scout and Llama 4 Maverick are designed with early fusion, meaning they are pre-trained on vast amounts of both text and vision data from the ground up. This fundamental shift leads to a significant leap in intelligence, allowing for more seamless and intuitive understanding across different modalities. Furthermore, these models boast impressive capabilities. Llama 4 Scout stands out with an industry-leading context window of 10 million tokens, enabling it to analyze incredibly long documents with ease. Meanwhile, Llama 4 Maverick achieves best-in-class image grounding, allowing it to precisely align user prompts with visual elements in images and anchor its responses to specific regions. Both models utilize a mixture of experts architecture, contributing to their strong performance across a wide range of benchmarks, often outperforming competitors like GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash. Notably, Llama 4 Maverick also achieves comparable results to DeepSeek V3 on reasoning and coding with significantly fewer active parameters and an unparalleled performance-to-cost ratio. All of this power stems from Llama 4 Behemoth, a larger teacher model still in training but already showing results that could surpass even GPT 4.5. The combination of native multimodality, groundbreaking performance, and exceptional efficiency in models tailored for various deployment needs truly sets the Llama 4 family apart. News number 5, Krea AI Artist Program launch. We're highlighting a new initiative from Krea AI, the launch of their Krea Artist Program. What makes this announcement stand out is its direct focus on supporting exceptional artists within their own community. This isn't just about releasing new AI tools into the general public. It's a dedicated program designed to provide a select group of artists and creators with exclusive access to Krea's newest tools and AI models. This suggests a more intimate and tailored approach to development and feedback, directly involving artists in the evolution of Krea AI's capabilities. This unique program emphasizes fostering talent and providing privileged access, setting it apart from broader updates and making it a noteworthy development for artists interested in leveraging AI in their creative process. News number 6, Higgsfield Mix. Unlock impossible camera moves with AI. We're diving into a fascinating new development from Higgsfield AI, Higgsfield Mix. What makes this truly unique is the ability to combine multiple motion controls in a single shot, creating camera movements that are physically impossible to achieve with real equipment. Imagine seamlessly transitioning from an overhead crane shot into a crash zoom, or combining a SnowCam effect with a low shutter. These kinds of complex, authored, and cinematic moves are now within reach. This update also introduces 10 new motion controls specifically designed for speed, tension, and impactful visuals, perfect for music videos, fashion films, and any content where pace and energy are key. You can use these new motions individually or, more powerfully, combine them through mix to build shots with impossible shifts, angles, and transitions that feel completely natural in the final output. Ultimately, Higgsfield Mix isn't just about simulating camera movement, it's about designing motion in the same creative way you design visuals, opening up an entirely new kind of visual language. News number 7, ChatGPT's enhanced memory with past chat referencing. Today we're looking at a significant upgrade to ChatGPT's memory capabilities. What makes this update truly unique is the introduction of referencing all of your past chats to provide even more personalized and relevant responses. This goes beyond the previously implemented saved memories, allowing ChatGPT to draw upon the entire history of your conversations. This means that as you continue to interact with ChatGPT, new conversations will naturally build upon everything it already knows about your preferences and interests, leading to interactions that feel noticeably smoother and uniquely tailored to you. It's like having a continuous thread of understanding throughout all your discussions. And as always, you remain in complete control. You can opt out of referencing past chats or memory entirely in the settings. And if you were already opted out, this new feature will also be disabled by default. You can even directly ask ChatGPT to forget specific things or use temporary chat for conversations you don't want to affect its memory. This enhanced memory feature, allowing ChatGPT to learn from your entire chat history, is currently rolling out to Plus and Pro users, with the exception of those in the EEA, UK, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein, with Team, Enterprise, and Edu users gaining access in the coming weeks. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message in ChatGPT to know when you have access to this improved memory. And that wraps up this week's top AI news. From the impressive natively multimodal capabilities of Llama 4 and ChatGPT's comprehensive memory to the creative potential of Higgsfield Mix and the innovative platforms like Google Agentspace, the Krea AI Artist Program, Bolt, and Firebase Studio, it's clear the world of AI is moving fast. Which of these updates has you most excited? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI news every week. Thanks for tuning in.